Hello and welcome to the very first lesson of our course on Anthropic's Claude and prompt engineering. I'm thrilled to guide you through mastering this incredibly capable AI model. Today, we're setting the stage. We need to understand what Claude is before we learn how to talk to it effectively. Anthropic's Claude is more than just another large language model. It's built with a core philosophy centered around safety, reliability, and helpfulness, a concept they call constitutional AI. What often sets Claude apart immediately is its massive context window. Imagine feeding the AI an entire user manual or a 50-page legal brief and having it reason across all that information in one go. That's the power we're working with. This brings us directly to our main topic, prompt engineering. If Claude is the high-performance engine, prompt engineering is the precision tuning that makes it run exactly how you need it to. A vague instruction yields a vague answer. A precise prompt unlocks targeted, high-quality results. To start improving your output today, focus on three core fundamentals. First, clarity and specificity. Don't just ask for information. Define the task, specify the required format, and list any constraints. Replace "tell me about energy" with "act as a consultant and summarize the CapEx difference between solar and wind energy in 3 bullet points." See the difference? Second, role assignment. Give Claude a job title. If you need complex code review, tell it you are a senior Python architect. This instantly narrows the focus of its response. And finally, few-shot learning. This is critical. Don't just tell the AI what you want, show it. By providing a few examples of input A leading to output A and input B leading to output B, you are teaching the model your desired pattern right inside the prompt itself. This is incredibly powerful for formatting and stylistic consistency. That's our foundation for today. Understand Claude's strengths and apply specificity, role-playing, and examples in your prompts. In the next lesson, we'll formalize these ideas into a structured, perfect prompt framework. Let's get started.